I'm going to show you a tip on how to scavenge chips, the transponder chips out of, old keys that are no longer needed. I'm going to use this bench grinder here, and on the left we have a grinding wheel, and on the right I have a wire brush. And, your first instinct would be to use the grinding wheel, but I'm actually going to show you that the wire wheel is much better for a couple of reasons. Let me switch hands here. And you can see it's making pretty short work of this. Now I'm going to show you the grinding wheel just because okay, now you can see the grinding wheel is doing about the same. The biggest difference is the wire brush. You can really go to town on it, and once you start getting down to the chip itself, the wire wheel actually it doesn't really damage the transponder. Do you see that? Now, I mean, if you really hold it there for a long time, it will, but for the most part, once you start seeing it, you know how deep you can push, and you can see it's cleaning that right away. Now, if I was to use the grinding wheel, it would grind that on down the same as it's going to grind down the rubber and the brass. It's just going to eat everything away. And once you get it about like this, then really all you got to do is you don't have to keep grinding on it. You can just get something in there and just flick it out. And this is kind of pokey, so it's not the best thing to use. And there you go.